Welcome to the series on Microsoft Access for Resources. Now you know how to make a table, or theoretically. So this exercise aims at if you actually do a table. So have a look at this note that I have here. So it says table certificates and then a number of variables. ID, which should be the primary key, name, which should be required, surname, middle name, age, cost of death, and then a date of birth in 3 different dates. Day, which should be only from 1 to 30 days. Oh, sorry, 31st, 31 days. Month, from 1 to 12 months. Year, 1885. Place of birth should be before Copenhagen. Imagine that this is an exercise where you are going to be typing that on Copenhagen. So it should be place of birth, Copenhagen, but then you can put it in with other data from the place, like all those. So it's important that it has here. And then the price of that it's going to have this price. So pause me here, try to make the table yourself. Try to make the design first, put all the fields, and then add some records, and then unpause me, and then I will do it with you. Okay? So pause now. And now I'll do it. So the first thing that we need to do is to create a table. So let's go design, and we set ID. That needs to be auto number, and that is our primary key. This is right click. What else we set? So that's okay. So we have name, name, and it has to be short text, and it says that it has to be required. So we just change it to yes. So first one thing, then surname and middle name. So person, surname, person, middle name, and short text. And for now we don't do anything with them. Then we have age and cost of death. So age should be a number, and then we said that it can be a long integer because it doesn't have any decimals. Cost of death, it has also to be short text. And now we get to day, month, and year. So a way of doing this would be day, birth, month, birth, and year. Oh, but they are not short text, they are no, and no. So the first one, we have to say the birth number, and it has to be between the possible numbers of the days of the month. So we go to validation rule, and it has to be higher. Well, we should leave the possibility. It should be higher and equal to 1, and lower equal to 30. This is what we have to do. For a month, we can have, so that's lower. So lower or equal to 12. I think that maybe that's a more simple way to do it. But the other also work. And then your birth, what did it say? Between 1880 and 1885. Okay, so it has to go higher equal than 1880 and equal than 1885. Okay, so we need more records, more fields, place of birth. It has to be a text, and if we go to here, validation, we have to go to default text and just write Copenhagen, and that's it. And the last bit is the price of document, and it has to have the price of document. And then we have to choose a number, and then remember that we have to choose a bubble. That's the one that would allow us to put decimals. And we close it. Change it, and then set that it is different certificates. Okay, This is how our table looks like. If I remember correctly, first the handset, 21. And then let's see and test what's happening here. So we can say 23 is fine, but we shouldn't be able to say 4. Perfect. And can we say -1? Yeah. So maybe it could be a good idea to actually select it all. So just but for now it works too. Yeah, we can say. We shouldn't be able to say something higher than a month birth is it's allowed us to do 23. What's happening? So of course it doesn't matter. So we go and to check that it should be added. Oh, we put it in the wrong place. See, that's something that can happen. So here, and now maybe we can use the opportunity to say higher and higher than 0, higher or equal than 0, and because we saw that actually we shouldn't be able to put negative numbers. So higher equals 0, and then we just close and certificates, and then see. Okay, so it hasn't changed any of the things because we just messed it up. So that's why it's so important to do it at the beginning. And then we go here. Okay, so we shouldn't be able to do that one. Right? We say, okay, let's see. 4. Good. 22. Okay. And then we shouldn't be able to say anyway. It has to be at least HMA. In the present version. Let's see if it allows us to put comments, and it does. And we have the last thing we have to check was that will it allow us to do something without the name, because it was recorded. And then we go, and then yeah, it tells us something. So right now, it's but of course, the way that we have set up, we have to put it here because now all these zeros are out of range. So if you think about it, we have committed a validation rule that also implies requirement to fill in the field. So we can leave zeros here because the values need to be within the So if we just say, then it will to progress. And that was this small exercise. So you look at these things. These are the kind of things that you generally need to use type in any kind of visual implement.